What's up guys, back again with another video. So this time I'm going to show you how to use template literals in JavaScript. It's actually part of the new ES6 update. It's not that new, it's a couple of years old now, but it's something that's really used now often, and yeah, it's fairly new. So it's actually really simple to use, and so I'm going to show you first by making a regular string um, and give it some stuff. We could say I am a string. No. We'll have a multi-line string. So I'll show you why this would be useful. So one line, and then to make a new line, we would have to do \n, then second line, \n, third line, and there we go. And we print that out. And this will create a 3-line string. And of course, there's a space right there. So yeah, we have a 3-line string here, and also another thing we could do. So const string 2. Let's say a lot of developers use single quotes, and I use double quotes just because I'm cool. But usually when you use single quotes and you want to have I believe it's called a compound word, I'm not sure, but if you have 2 words, like do not, it's don't. So if you put the apostrophe T, it's not going to work because it's confused as to which one is the closing tag, so it doesn't know. So an easy way to fix that is, of course, using double quotes instead. But usually you just use a backslash in front of it, and there we go, it's all fixed now. So if we print that out, there we go, it prints don't. But with template literals, we could just simply do this. So const string 1 better equals, use a backtick, which is the key next to the 1. It's on the left of the 1, so click that. And it looks like single quotes, but it's actually different. It's a backtick. And so if we want to have multi-line thingy, we just say 1 line, enter, second line, enter, third line. It's literal, so it's literally going to take it word for word of what you're saying. So if we output that, then we get the same result. So there we go. So if we do the same thing with the second, so string 2 better equals, then we have our backtick don't. So it doesn't matter how you do it, you just use the backtick and everything's good. So if we output that, we get don't. So now here's where it gets a little complicated, and this is why you need it the most. So let's make a big string, and we could say, oh, let's make some variables first. So const name equals Cody. Oops. Const age equals 16. Const genus equals homo, as in homo sapien, not gay. Because, no homo, man. I'm not about that life. Nothing wrong with that, of course. So if you want to put that into one sentence, we could simply do, wait, why is this an error? I don't know, but anyway. So big string equals hello, oops, forgot our quotes here. Hello, my name is Cody. Oh, so plus, and we put name Cody, period. And oh, we've got a plus here. So as you can already see, it gets really confusing. So say and I am age years old. Like this is cancer to type. I am of the genus. I'm not even sure if I'm using the right terminology with genus, but anyway. And we could say and of the species Homo sapien, or it'd be sapien, I guess. So anyway, so if you print this out, you get a big string here. And it does exactly what we want to do. So, hello, my name is Cody. I'm 16 years old. I am of the genus Homo and the species Sapien. So, not sure if that makes sense, but anyway. So, obviously, this is extremely excruciating to type. It's just, ow, my brain hurts because of that. So, if you want to use template literals, it's way easier. It's like, OMG, girl. So, big string better equals backtick. And then say, hello, my name is, and then $, and then curly braces. Inside the curly braces, you pass in your variable. So name, and we just keep going. You don't need a plus or anything like that. So hello, my name's Cody, and I am years old. I am of the genus, and of the species Sapien. Whoa, okay. So if we print that out, let's just put another one behind it so I can compare the two. Big string. Sorry for that dog. He needs to die. Okay, that sounded way too dark. I mean, he needs to shut up. So obviously I made a little error here, but hello, my name is Cody and I'm 16 years old. I mean, it's the same thing, but as you can tell, it's just way easier. You don't need all these pluses and all this extra spaces and periods and stuff. You just write it how you write a normal sentence. And so it makes your life way easier. It's amazing. So if you want to do some addition and calculations inside of your template literals, you can actually do that, which is something you couldn't really do in regular strings, as far as I know. I mean, maybe you can, but I don't really know that. So if you want to do that, we could say here 1 plus 15, and then it'll print out 16. Oh, that's for name, but hello, my name is 16. I'm 16 years old, and so that's what we wanted. So if you make another variable up here, const h2 equals 56, then we could also add the variables and do operations, age divided by 56, h2, and then it'll print the result here. So you get that big string here. Float number, whatever it's called, decimal number, whatever. And so yeah, that's how you do some template literals. You can. My favorite part is being able to use these and input the variables inside there so easily. So I love that. And if you need help, leave a comment. If you like the video, leave a like. And if you want to see more, subscribe, because I'm dropping in a video daily on both channels. I have another channel for music. So yeah, it's called Illuminati Music if you want to look at it. And also we have a Discord in the description. So check it out, join, and you can talk to me if you want to, and peace.